Drive up this scenic tree-lined driveway and through the gated entrance to your private waterfront estate. This property boasts 13 acres and 454 feet of frontage on the gorgeous Cedarville Reservoir. Surrounded by abundant nature with boating, fishing, and sunset right outside your back door. The home is situated among mature trees with panoramic views of the reservoir to be enjoyed through every season. Entering the 4-bedroom, 4.5-bath home, you're greeted by a stunning open concept with a cathedral ceiling, gorgeous wooden beams, and large windows with the best view. This layout makes it easy to entertain, moving throughout the living space with ease. The beautiful stone fireplace awaits cozy nights all winter long. Head over to the kitchen where lovely cabinetry, countertops, and stone detailing provide a great environment for cooking your favorite comfort meals. Each bedroom and its respective bathroom are spacious and inviting. Additional rooms such as a den and organized laundry room are sure to impress. Bring the fun down to the basement where the wet bar and living and recreation spaces are ready to be enjoyed. More stunning water views can be seen from the large windows that fill the basement with gorgeous natural light. Spend time relaxing outside at one of the various seating areas, soaking up the last bit of warmth before it's gone. If you have out-of-town guests, the guest quarters is perfect for their stay. Complete with a full kitchen, separate laundry, and living area, they'll have everything they could need. Also included is a separate outbuilding with an additional 6+ car garage space. Don't miss out on this amazing one-of-a-kind home. Call Paul Sawfield about this must-see property today.